Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kafidatul Afifa Ajari, and today I will do a consecutive translation for my final term task. So here I'm using Prabowo speech. Prabowo tegas tolak bantuan asing, saya ditelepon banyak kepala negara. Saya menyatakan kami mampu.
Tidak suka sama Indonesia, tidak suka Indonesia kuat, Indonesia mantap gitu. Dalam rangka ini,
They didn't like Indonesia. They don't like that Indonesia is strong and good job.
di tengah bencana, di tengah musibah, mereka yang ditonjolkan adalah kebohongan, ketidakbenaran.
So in this middle of the disaster, in the middle of this context, that they shown is just hoax and untruth.
Dikatakan pemerintah tidak hadir, puluhan ribu dalam saat-saat yang pertama sudah dikerahkan ke situ. Kita lihat buktinya.
They already said that the government was not there. The government was not serious about this. But actually, there's a lot of couple 100,000 in the first moment. They already stand there.
Saya lihat sekarang ini mungkin ada pihak yang khawatir karena rakyat baru sekarang lihat pemerintah Indonesia ini ternyata kuat.
I see now that maybe there's some people, there's some portion is worried that they already know that Indonesia government is strong, that we are capable of this.
TNI kuat, Polri kuat, BNPB kuat, Basarnas kuat. Mampu kita kerahkan puluhan helikopter dalam waktu singkat.
The TNI, Polri, BNPB, and also Basarnas all of these are strong to handle this. We are capable of deploy 1,000 of helicopters in a short time.
Belasan pesawat terbang. Ada tempat-tempat yang tiap hari BBM diantar dengan pesawat terbang, dengan Hercules. Ini hanya bisa oleh negara yang kuat.
There's a lot of helicopter that send, a lot of oil and gas that already sent every day. Can be done by a strong country.
Ada desa-desa yang tiap hari, yang sekarang masih belum tembus, saya kira nanti mungkin ada laporan dari BNPB, tiap hari didatangi oleh helikopter. Di tengah cuaca yang di gunung-gunung itu ya masih penuh kabut, hujan juga masih sering turun cepat. Saya baru
Maybe there's a lot of village that has been discovered yet, has not been sent yet, but every day heli are flying there to monitoring the area. In the middle of mountain, there is a fog, rain that falls quickly.
Dari situ, saya dari Takengon, saya dari Bener Meriah, saya lihat kondisinya tidak gampang, ya kan?
I just from Takengon and Muria, the condition is not easy. The condition is so hard.
Ketinggian 1.800, ketinggian 2.000, kabut itu. Jadi penerbang-penerbang kita terbang tiap hari. Ini adalah suatu hal yang perlu kita
There's a lot of pilot that fly there every day. As a president, I'm very and there's a thing that this is the thing that we can have to be proud of.
Saya terus aja saya
There's
sebagai presiden
a lot of maybe the condition there is not feasible. There's 180 until 2000.
dan di
Fuck.
Indonesia saya bangga lihat aparat-aparat kita di setiap tingkatan berada di tengah rakyat. Ya, jadi
As a president of Indonesia, I'm very proud of that. All of our officers are in the middle of the people.
semua mengerahkan tanpa terlalu banyak minta perintah dari saya, berinisiatif. Saya terima kasih para pimpinan Panglima TNI, Kapolri, para kepala staf, semua yang hadir dan mengambil tindakan atas inisiatif sendiri.
Not all of these are mobilized. Not many order from me, but they took an action of their initiative. I'm very thankful of the chief of TNI and also Polri for all of this.
Sehingga saya ditelepon banyak pimpinan kepala negara ingin kirim bantuan, saya bilang terima kasih, concern Anda kami mampu.
I've got a lot of call from another nation that they are offering their help, but I said that thank you, we are capable of doing this.
Indonesia mampu mengatasi ini. Ya.
Indonesia is capable of overcoming this.
Ada yang teriak-teriak ingin ini dinyatakan bencana nasional. Kita sudah kerahkan.
Yes, there's some parties, some people that shouting their mouth that as to this disaster is going to be a national disaster. Yes, we are already deployed this.
Di 3 provinsi dari 38 provinsi.
It's just 3 provinces from 38 provinces.
Jadi situasi terkendali. Saya monitor terus.
So the situation are controlled and I will continue to monitor again.
Dan kita sudah merencanakan segera akan kita bentuk, apakah kita namakan badan atau satgas rehabilitasi dan rekonstruksi. Segera kita akan bangun hunian-hunian.
And yeah, we already plan to make maybe some called agency or task force soon that we will build.
Dan sementara dan hunian-hunian tetap. Bahkan mungkin saya dapat laporan dari Menteri Perumahan ya, mungkin mulai.
Yeah, maybe we will build maybe a temporary house or permanent house, and I've already got a call from the Minister of Housing.
Hari Minggu ini kita sudah mulai membangun 2.000 rumah.
This week we will build 2,000 houses.
Kemungkinan rumah ini bisa langsung aja jadi rumah tetap ya. Jadi semua unsur juga nanti bekerja sama ya.
Maybe this will be a permanent home for all of them. So all of these elements will work together, right?
Jangan ada alasan cari lahan dan sebagainya, pakai lahan milik negara yang ada.
There's no excuse that we don't have any